Good afternoon, friends. Today I am representing a topic of strategic formulation by using BCG matrix. BCG matrix. It stands for Boston Consulting Group Matrix. Basically, the BCG matrix is a framework created by Boston Consulting Group to evaluate the strategic position of a business brand portfolio and its potential. It's classified business portfolio into four categories based on industry attractiveness, growth rate of the industry, and competitive position, relative market share. These two dimensions natively like profitability of the business portfolio in the terms of cash need to support the unit and cash generated by it. The general purpose of these analysis is to help understanding which brand the firm should invest in and which one should be diversified. The BCG matrix dimension here, the growth share matrix is a graphical planning tool for corporate and business where the company product and services are potential in access and conclude major business verticals. Two prompted dimensions like competitive position, relative market share, and industry attractiveness, growth rate of that industry, are taken help to estimate the true capability of a business brand portfolio and attractive future investment programs. These two dimensions determine the likely profitability of the business portfolio in terms of required cash to be back there unlike and cash generated by it. The convergence agenda of the inquiry is to understand the area investment, disinvestment, and development. The first uh, matrix is relative market share. Here, a high market share generally means high cash return, and logic behind the allotment of the dimensions is depending on its relationship with the experience curve. Here the usual notations is that when the company generate more number of product, it enjoy the advantage of low input cost and lead to increased profit. And the market share of a company is always taken into consideration in attention to the market share, its major. Second, the market growth rate. Here, a high growth rate in the market is an indication of high earning and high profit. It also refers to higher level of investment in the product line. This is a positive sign of a consistent growth and expectations to get a handsome return on investment. Here the four quadrant in the growth share matrix are as follow. First it is star, question mark, cash cow, and dog. Here the BCG matrix breakdown. First we discuss. There first is star. Star are business entity that have a smooth market share in a fast-pacing industry. These product line have a crystal cleaner, nice and neat sound investment to maintain their market position, push growth and carry out a competitive advantage. Second is question mark. In question mark are the those business entity that have low market share in a fast pricing market. Question mark are the most managerial radical products and need preserving investment and resources to escalate the market share. They also need extensive monitoring because investment in question mark are broadly funded by cash flow. Third is the BCG metric cash cow. Here, the product line under the cash cow quadrant has an enormous share of the market in slugging growing industry. In this case, the generation of the revenue outpasses the initial investment which are necessary to preserve the business. And last is dogs. Dogs are those business entity that have a scantial market share in a rapid and show growth market. Product falling under the dog quadrant are some show able to protect themselves by initial cash flow and substantial the market share. The BCG matrix analysis, here some basically some steps of the BCG matrix. First is choose the unit. Second, the define the market. uh, Calculate of relative market share. Then calculate of market growth share. And finally, last is draw the circle on a matrix. Here we can take the example of Amul. In the case of Amul, there are some basically some steps which are applied to analyze them. First is star. Here, the product which are considered as star of Amul are Amul ice cream and Amul ghee. These two products have a high market share and has addictive possibilities to grow in a near future. Amul Ghee has also been a star for the company of the brand has been able to acquire a 30% hike in its sales, while the market share claimed by the product is around 18% along with a yearly turnover of more than 1,700 crores. Second is question mark. Here, Amul Lassi is diagnosed as a question mark as their capability as a majority derivative of profitability remain quite black. Amul Lassi has been brought about in the market with the agenda to magnify the market share and giving a tough competition with other beverage available in the market. So third is cash cow. Here there are three products under the umbrella of Amul that came under the cash cows category, and they are Amul milk, Amul butter, and Amul cheese. The market share of these products is not likely to undergo colossal gain, but their current spot makes them a high revenue contribution. And finally, last is dogs. Amul has two products that have not been able to generate sales and revenue as per the estimation. One of the net worth example is the regard as Amul chocolate and Amul pizza. The competitors make it tough to amplify the market share to a notable degree, which can turn this product is become an outstanding sources or substantial revenue. So this is for watching.